Khamari's one stop. Come play with me, come play with me at Khamari's one stop. Come play with me, come play with me. Come play with me. Come play with me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make the volcano explode. Boom, boom, boom. I made my volcano scarf with toilet paper and paint. And yeah. You know I'm even that man. Super's here. Laser mouthpiece. Laser mouthpiece. X-Rex Max! X-Rex Max! You loser, man! Forehead stick. Vinegar, food coloring, and baking soda. Guys, this is what I'm gonna make my volcano close. Do first, guys! And we're gonna put the things in it to let it close. Now put this in there, Mommy. Now this, Mommy. Just a little, Mommy. Here. Oh, it's coming out, man. Just a little. Oh my God, it's coming up. I don't know. Mommy, I don't see it coming up yet. Just a little more, Mommy. I hope it comes. Whoa, man, it's coming up.
A few moments later.
Whoa!
For all of it. For all of it.
Whoa! Oh my God! More?
Yeah.
All of it?
Yeah.
Oh my God! That's amazing. I don't even taste it.
No, you can't taste it.
Rest. Okay. Oh my God! How did that just happen? How did that just? It's a come out. Oh my